Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. Children, today we will start lesson 9, States of Matter, from page number 60 in your science textbook. So students, please open the page number 60 and follow me. The name of the lesson is STATES, States of Matter, Matter. Children, what is the definition of matter? What is the meaning of matter? The definition of matter is anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Children, कोई भी thing, anything that has mass and occupies space को occupy करती है उसको matter कहा जाता है. And also matter is a kind of substance. Substance means in Hindi पदार्थ होती है. Okay? Matter is a kind of substance, material or stuff. Understand? And what is the meaning of states? Children, the three most familiar states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the three most familiar states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Understand? And children, and we are also going to learn about, look at this, key learning points. Matter, we are going to learn about matter. What is matter? And states of matter. What are the states of matter? And change of one state of matter to another state. Okay? Matter कैसा अपना state को change करती है? And evaporation, condensation and freezing and melting. Okay children, we are going to learn about evaporation, condensation and freezing and melting. Understand children? Now, as usual, this lesson also starts with a conversation part. In this conversation is happening between two boys. Who are they? Rohan and Rahul. Okay children? Let us read and understand the conversation between Rahul and Rahul. What are they talking about? Okay. Let us read. Rohan is asking to Rahul, Rahul, why are you looking so sad? Rahul, तुम क्यों उदास दिख रहे हो? Then Rahul replied, my mother scolded me today because I broke a window pane while playing cricket in the drawing room. Rahul said, my mother scolded, SCOLDED. Children, scolded means डांटना. मेरी मम्मी मुझे scold की क्योंकि I broke a window pane. मैं window pane means glass of the window. Drawing room में cricket खेलते समय window pane मैंने तोड़ दिया. Then Rohan replied, she did the right thing. Don't you know that glass breaks easily? You should play outside. Rohan, he is very he is very smart boy. He said, she did the right thing. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा की. तुमको मालूम नहीं? ग्लास बहुत easily break हो जाती है. You should play outside. तुमको बाहर खेलना चाहिए. Then Rahul replied, I shall tell my father to make all window panes of wood or plastic. Then this problem will be solved. See, Rahul said, मैं मेरे फादर से बता दूंगा कि सारा विंडो पेन्स वुड और प्लास्टिक से बनवाने के लिए, so that the problem will be solved. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती है. Then immediately Rohan said to Rahul, you have such funny ideas, Rahul. Rahul, तुम्हारे पास ऐसा funny ideas है. There are different types of matter. They are used for different things. There are different types of matter means तरह तरह की matter हो सकती है and they are used for different things. Different things के लिए different types of matter को use किया जाता है. Then immediately Rahul asked to Rohan, tell me about the different states of matter. Rohan, please tell me about different states of matter. Different states of matter के बारे में मुझे बता दो, समझा दो. Then children, now Rohan is explaining, okay, about different states of matter. Let us read. We see such a large variety of variety of things around us. Some are big while some are small, right? Some things are heavy whereas others are light, LAGST, light. This is because different things have different masses, MASSES, masses. Mass of a thing tells us how light or heavy a thing is. All objects also occupy space. Occupy means घेरना, okay? Where a thing is, whether a thing, WHETH here, whether a thing is too small or too big, it occupies some space. Okay, children? Here we see such a large variety of things around us. Children, around us means हम लोग का हमारा अपने आसपास में हम लोग बहुत सारे वेराइटी ऑफ थिंग्स देखते हैं ना. वी कैन सी द ट्रीज, houses, land, water, air, different things like in the classroom, desks, benches, blackboard, है ना, बहुत कुछ things होते हैं. Some are big while some are small. Look at this. Some things like big things and small things. We can see the big buildings, small buildings, okay? Big things, small things देखते हैं ना. Look at this. This eraser is small. This pen is, I mean, not big, okay? Look at this. This pencil is short, this pen is tall, okay children? And some things are heavy whereas others are light, okay? कुछ things heavy होते हैं, कुछ things light होते हैं. For example, look at this. This eraser is heavy and this ribbon, okay, satin ribbon is light, okay? This is heavy and this is light. At the same time, this is because different things have different masses. Here masses means quantity, okay children, quantity, weight. Mass means quantity, weight weight है. Mass of a thing tells us how light or heavy a thing is. Here mass means quantity or weight of things, okay? किसी चीज का मात्रा, okay? मास मीन्स किसी चीज का मात्रा. किसी चीज का मात्रा हम लोग को क्या बताती है? वो थिंग कितना लाइट और हेवी है, ओके चिल्ड्रन? इसका वेट बताती है ना, इस एरेजर का वेट बताती है ये कितना हेवी है या लाइट है. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. चिल्ड्रन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लुक एट दिस पेज. इस पेज में इस एरेजर को ऐसा रखेंगे तो ये कितना स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई की है? लेट मी ड्रॉ a line around this. Look at this. This much space it is occupied in this page, isn't it? Okay. It means हर एक चीज स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करती है. Okay. Look at this. This is water and this is empty glass. Look at this. I am pouring the water. So first of all, this glass is empty. Okay. And now I am pouring water. How much space it is occupied? See. 3/4 of glass space is occupied. This water occupied 3/4 of glass space. Understand children? It means हर एक चीज स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करती है. And all objects also occupy space where, sorry, WHETH, whether a thing is too small or too big. कोई भी चीज छोटा हो या बड़ा हो स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका स्कूल बैग में बुक्स अरेंज करते हैं ना, तभी स्कूल बैग है ना एकदम ऐसा फूल जाती है, ओके, हेवी हो जाती है. सो इट मीन्स द बुक्स ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस इनसाइड द स्कूल बैग. अंडरस्टैंड? इट ऑक्यूपाइज सम स्पेस, ओके? थिंग्स छोटा हो या बड़ा हो स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करती है. एंड नेक्स्ट, एनीथिंग दैट हैज मास एंड ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस इज कॉल्ड मैटर. चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज मैटर? वी हैव ऑलरेडी, आई टोल्ड यू ना इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द starting of the lesson, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. कोई भी चीज जिसका weight हो, okay, and occupy space, वो space को occupy करती है, उसको matter कहा जाता है. Understand children? And now here activity part. Look at this activity 1. Look at this. Let us read. Name 10 things from your classroom which are examples of matter. Okay, children. Here we have read now anything that एनीथिंग दैट हैज मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस इज कॉल्ड मैटर. कोई भी चीज जिसका वेट हो, ओके, एंड स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करती है उसको मैटर कहा जाता है ना. ऐसा कुछ थिंग्स आपका क्लास में बहुत सारे थिंग्स होते हैं ना, उसमें से कुछ थिंग्स का नेम्स यहाँ लिखने के लिए बोले गए हैं. लेट अस रीड. चॉक, CHAL के चॉक, डस्टर, चेयर्स, बेंचेस, डस्टबिन, बुक्स, bags, fans, blackboard, tubelight. All these things, they have mass and occupies space, isn't it? Okay, children, this is for today. And in the next class, we will read and understand states of matter. Okay, till then, read this topic, this conversation part, and understand it.